I'm at Stonehenge again. These stones over there. Every time I come up here, the weather turns hot. Got parked up next to you. Where is it? Viking Vanlife up there. Just had a nice long chat with him. Project Amber's down there again. It looks like we're set for a gorgeous sunset tonight. And here goes my kettle. Yeah, every time I come up here it turns off. Why is that? But it don't do that in a month or two. Get a cup of tea on the go. Beautiful day. Easy to sit here and do nothing in this warmth. But I'm going for a walk. Well, I was going for a walk, but it seems my sliding door's broken. Let's see what the problem is. Vanlife, eh? Always problems. Oh, that's good. It's not broken. You see that little lever there? It's supposed to be in that socket, so it's just popped out of its socket. That's it, popped back in. Seems a bit flimsy, that plastic. Right, let's get it back in. Should be working fine now. Find the screw had dropped. Put it back together. There you go there, Project Amber. Giving away free promotion breakfast bars. I think I'll grab one. Very nice. How are your mornings? Breakfast bar. I'll have that with a cup of tea when I get back. Had a nice chilled out evening last night. Sat round the campfire with Viking Vanlifer, a couple of others. It's a really nice chilled out evening. Just going for a walk up by the stones. which surprisingly isn't that busy at the moment. Must be because of the new COVID rules that came into force yesterday. See all the vans up there. Yeah, there's a couple of things I wanted to talk about. I am going to start making videos again. I've been busy on another channel which is doing extremely well, so I've been making quite a few videos for that, but I'm not far from reaching the magic 1,000 subscribers mark, and I'm going to be giving away a brand new diesel heater with all the accessories, the fuel tank, everything that you need to fit it. So make sure you're subscribed for that one. You've got to be subscribed to win it. So hopefully that's not far off now. God, it's warm. Not often it's this warm in September. It's a beautiful landscape though, isn't it? Our van's up there. That's Viking Vanlife. It was a really quiet night last night, even though there's quite a few vans there. Always a good place to stay. Amazing breeze coming across this field now. Lovely. The other thing I wanted to mention, finally getting the motorhome welded. Got to go back and meet a welder there Saturday morning. He's going to weld it up. Going to do a bit of doing up and get her out for sale, and then buy our next van project, which is going to be a medium-sized van. And the motorhome was just too big. It doesn't go down the adventurous little country lanes that we like to go down. Nightmare in places like Cornwall and Wales. So gonna get maybe a Renault Master, that sort of size van, long wheelbase, and convert that to our needs. So much easier for full-time life. Yeah, so I'll be filming that process, all the welding and that. I was going to do it myself, but it's just beyond me. It's cost me a small fortune to get it done as well, but here's what it is. Right, moment of truth. Yeah. I've had 3 days here, 3 days, 2 nights. Getting a bit bored of the views, so let's go somewhere else. I'm going to go and find an urban style park up for the night, but one with a difference. Let's go. Right, this is going to be my park up for the night. In Southampton. Engine Bridge over there. You can park here between 8 AM, no, 6 PM and 8 AM. So as long as you're up and gone at 8 AM, it's all good. But there you go, urban park up with a difference. Got a beach. That's the town centre over there. Pub just over there. That's those tickles you fancy. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Pub kicked out quite late, and people must have gone back for drinks locally to other people's houses. It was quite noisy till around about 2:30 AM, and then I was woken up by traffic at 7:30 AM, which isn't too bad because I wanted to be out there by 8. I'm now at B&Q enjoying a bacon and egg bat from the burger bar, which is very nice. Would I stay there again? If I had to. It wasn't that bad, it's just noisy.